Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode I have this cool mixing pot right here in my hand, and basically what this is an induction cooktop. So obviously you can use this for cooking whatever you guys want. So you can see right here it has some of the specs that's on the product itself. So it has 1800 watts. It has 15 power levels, 15 levels of temperature, and it has a timer for 500 minutes if you guys want to use that option as well. And if we take a look at the side right here, they mention some of the stuff you guys can use it for. And if you guys are wondering what type of pots and pan you guys can use, you guys can refer to some of these right here. But I do have something inside the package itself to test out to see when it actually works. If you guys use that accessory and it doesn't work, then most likely it will not work on this part right here. So I've actually been using this for quite some time, but let me actually do a quick unboxing to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. So you guys get the actual induction cooktop there, and you guys get this little box right here. So inside this little box right here, they pretty much provide you guys this little cleaning cloth that you can use. I haven't need to use it yet because I have my own like cloth or towel to use, and I just use that. And then right here is the accessory that I was talking about. It's basically like a little tester that's magnetic. So if you guys stick this onto like the bottom of your pot, and if this does not stick onto your pot, then most likely it will not work for the pot that you guys plan on using. And then right underneath that, you can see they have the instruction manual and a little warranty card here as well. And that's basically everything inside here. Now let's actually take a look at the actual induction cooktop first. Alright, so as you can see that's all nicely wrapped up. Obviously when you guys first get it, it's more nicely wrapped up. But since I've been using this product, that's why it's open. So let me actually open up this part to show you guys what it looks like first. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like right here. But it does use a cable right here to plug in to activate it. And then this part right here is the induction cooktop part right here. So once you guys put in your pot and pan right here, then it actually will heat up. It actually heats up really fast. But you can see on the bottom right there, they have all these different settings right here. So there's a timer button, there's a plus and minus button right here. There's a function button to change the different settings. So there's a power setting, temperature setting, frying setting, and a boiling water setting right here. And then right here is the on and off button. And the cool thing about these induction cooktop usually is the fact that on the top part here, it is glass. So if you guys get any like oil or liquid or whatever, like soy sauce or whatever on top right here, like it's really easy to clean it. All you guys need to do is just use a towel or something and wipe it off like really easily, which I'll do a test later on to show you guys what I mean. If we turn on the back side right here, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they have the little fan right here and some more ventilation areas here as well to prevent the product from overheating. And they do have the anti-skid material here, and here to prevent the product from moving around when it's actually using it. But you guys can definitely see the product itself is super portable, so you can bring this with you guys anywhere. As long as you guys have one outlet to plug this in, you can basically use it anywhere as you want to. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me actually do a test of the product itself to show you guys how well it works and how to use it first. Alright, so I have it all plugged in. Let's turn it on, see what happens. Alright, so we can change the function. So you can see the product is on, but right now it's not working because this product is not supported on here. That's why it's showing this error message right here. So we had to turn it off and use a product that actually supports on here. So I'm gonna try again with this wok, and the way how you know when it works is by using this tester that they provide you by sticking on the bottom. If it does stick, then it actually works. So this one sticks on the bottom, so let's give it another try and see if it works. Alright, so you can see it actually works now because this pot actually works with it. So you can see right now I can control the temperature on here and actually works. So once you turn it to a really high temperature, you can see that actually gets really loud. So the maximum heat temperature is 1800. If you guys want to change the temperature, all you have to do is just click on the function button right here and it show you guys that option right here. And you can turn it all the way to the maximum temperature, which is 460. If you guys want to change it to like frying or boiling water, you can change that option on here as well. Timer setting right here if you guys want to set that on here, but basically the product is all on now and we're just gonna let it heat up, see how long it takes to heat up the product. Alright, it's been a couple of minutes. Let me open up and see what it looks like now. Alright, so you can see that actually does work and it heats quite fast. If you can see, it's already heating up and you can see all the steam. Alright, so we have the product all unplugged and turned off. We're gonna just wipe it off, see what happens. Alright, so you can see as I'm wiping this off, it's actually really easy to wipe off. You guys can still feel the heat a little bit, but not too much. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw a quick test of the product itself and see that actually does work and it works quite well. You guys can see that it's super easy and super convenient to use basically anywhere. So obviously when you guys are looking for induction cooktop, you guys are not limited to this one right here. There are a lot of other options out there such as these. But definitely is super convenient and portable, and especially if you guys are planning to do like hot pot or something with friends or family, they can definitely use this. But now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any type of induction cooktops are super worth it if you guys plan on using one or if you guys need one. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.